Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Weebly Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your store, find the right place to manage items, add a new product with key details, and save it so it's ready for your customers. Start by opening your Weebly store. If you manage more than one site, make sure you're in the correct one before you begin. It's best to do this on a desktop for a clearer view of the editing tools. Once you're in, head to your site's dashboard so you can access the store features quickly. A stable connection helps prevent any hiccups while you're entering product details. Next, look for products in the left-hand menu of your store dashboard. This is the central hub where your full catalog lives. Here, you'll see any items you've already added, and you can search or filter as your catalog grows. Think of this area as your product control center. Now click Add Product. This opens the product editor, where you'll enter everything a shopper needs to make a confident purchase. Take a breath here and get organized. Having your product name, price, and a few quality images ready will make this step smooth and fast. Enter the product name first. Keep it clear and descriptive so customers instantly understand what they're looking at. Consistency matters, so if you use sizes, colors, or model numbers, format them the same way across your catalog. Then add the price. Check that it matches your pricing strategy and your store's currency settings. If you run any promotions later, you can always update the price here to reflect a sale or discount strategy. Add your images next. Use high-resolution photos with good lighting and a clean background so the product stands out. Square or consistently sized images help your store look polished. If possible, include more than one angle to reduce customer uncertainty. Keep file sizes optimized so pages load quickly, but make sure the images remain crisp. Aim for consistency across your catalog so every product page feels cohesive and professional. When everything looks right, save the product. Saving commits your name, price, and images to your catalog and adds the item to your product list. Take a moment to glance at the saved details in the list to confirm you see the correct name and pricing. If you notice anything off, you can open the product again and make adjustments immediately. That's it. You've opened your Weebly store, navigated to products, added a product, entered the name, price, and images, and saved it with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy